Brought to you by the Wired Telephone Company.
There you go. Hi, Rich. We got a story for you.
All right, a career coach is weighing in on some big changes in the tech industry.
This guy, you heard his voice. Rich DeMiro explains in today's Tech Smart. Good morning.
You know what that study doesn't take into consideration?
What?
We don't
Talking
care.
with friends and family.
See?
Because I talked to my mom over the weekend and it felt so nice.
And
I
your
was like,
blood
I need
pressure
to do
went
this.
down.
Yeah.
Not up.
Until she started telling me all the things I need to do when I come home.
I was just going to say, well, it depends beyond the
That's
tech.
funny.
Yeah.
All right, between the recent layoffs and AI, the tech industry looks a lot different these days. So what does it mean if you're looking for a job in tech? Well, recently I met up with career coach Ken Coleman to find out. Ken Coleman is a radio host and author who gives out career advice on a daily basis. First, I wanted his thoughts on the recent tech layoffs.
These big tech companies are going to lay people off when there's a hint of recession because it's about the stock price. It's not about valuing people. So they'll staff up when everything's hot. They will staff down when it's just threatening to be cooler.
Coleman says losing a job is a traumatic experience, so turn to friends and family to help you get through it. Then move on.
You aren't a failure. You're a part of a big financial system, and it has nothing to do with you. It has a lot to do with the company.
Look for something you're good at, something you enjoy doing, and ask yourself, what results do you want to contribute to the world?
The last piece on that is understand you're not necessarily going to step into that right away.
Don't forget to do your own research on a job post.
We don't want to just stay on the internet. We want to do our own research, just primary detective work. Is this a real thing? Is this a good company? Who do I know that knows somebody that works over there? So we can get a sense for, is this a healthy culture? Or to the heart of your question, is it actually a real job?
Coleman isn't opposed to using ChatGPT for first drafts of cover letters, but says to make it your own and pay attention to the job description.
Make sure that you are adequately addressing what the need is in that job description. I think that'll help you stand out.
Keep in mind, we are now competing with AI.
So those of you that are in very task-heavy jobs, I think it is a threat to your role. You know, you're talking about basic accounting practices, administrative duties. I think AI is going to replace those type of jobs because of the efficiency. However, I think it's going to spin off more jobs because it cannot replace the human touch.
All right, now if you're looking for some career inspiration, you can find clips of the Ken Coleman Show on YouTube. I'll put a link on my website at richontech.tv. So after this story and after I talked to Ken about using ChatGPT and AI to write cover letters, it's been a while since I wrote one, but I just literally copied and pasted a job into Bard, right? Google's AI.
Right.
I couldn't believe the letter it came up with.
Really?
So as long as you customize it, make it your own, he's saying it's okay.
Yeah.
I mean, it really takes a lot of that heavy lifting off
Wow.
you.
That's fantastic.
What about the buzzwords, for example, to further what you're talking about? My understanding is a lot of corporations, when you fill out or apply for stuff, they're looking for buzzwords within your resume.
Yeah, he sort of mentioned that. Like, pay attention to those descriptor keywords in the job description. That's what you want to play to. So if they, you know, if it says you're efficient, you want to write about that efficiency. If you're creative, you want to make sure you kind of play to that. So you can't just like put this stuff out there. You have to really look at what it's asking for and customize your application for that.
How you're prompting it.
Exactly.
Gotcha.
Thank you, Rich.